got the electric fence energized. So Lily's out of her run, and Dillon and Garrett are with her. All the goats, I had to line the goat feeder today. They were getting their head caught in the smaller holes, so put some smaller wire all the way around. The big holes are open, so they can climb in there, which is fine. Joel and Heidi are doing well. Joel ate out of my hand today a little bit, some grain. So everybody's settling in. So we're going to leave the dogs out tonight. They seem much happier. And Lily's, she went right over with them and laid down, and she's in her element. So we're good to go. So thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Ring the little bell. So you're notified of any new videos, and hit the like button because that helps our channel more than you know.